Hi everyone, this is Prerna here, and hi, if you are new to my channel, welcome here. It's a place where you will find everything related to beauty, lifestyle, skincare, makeup, and if you relate to me, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. It would mean the absolute world to me. In today's video, we are here to do a skincare haul for you all. Now, as you know, it is my birthday month. Yeah, April 30 is my birthday, so I'll be doing a birthday skincare haul video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now this video has skincare, body care and a few other stuff as well. So let's begin with fragrances. I was never a fragrance person, but lately me and my best friend have been exploring a lot on fragrances, and so I have been very keen on trying some new fragrances. So I have got few of the new fragrances for me. First is this is the Bath and Body Works Open Sky fragrance body mist, and it says it has a fragrance of fresh berries, sunrise violet, vanilla and cloud. Now I am a person who loves vanillas and roses when it comes to fragrances. Next we have another fragrance, and it is from the house of Miniso. Now Miniso has some amazing fragrances at affordable price. This retails for 200, but the fragrance, and it's like a travel friendly jar. And if you are new to fragrances, you should always try small travel friendly sizes, so in case if you don't like a fragrance, you won't regret the amount of money you spent. Now it is pure floral scent, and if you are someone who loves floral scent, just give it a sniff and you'll love it. Next we have another perfume, and it is by Nykaa. It is Moi by Nykaa. Now it is in the variant Epis, and it was like one of the most hyped perfumes recently. I have heard a lot of people speaking and raving about this one. So it comes with a very classy packaging, like you can see, and it retails for 249, but I got like 10 or 15% discount on this, so I got this one. Oh god, it has, I can't explain, but it has very berry tone smell with a hint of musk and woodiness to it. Like it's a very beautiful smell, man. You would love it if you are, मतलब वो जो एक स्मेल नहीं होता आपको, that you are in a garden full of berries and pahadi area and all. Very beautiful smell. If you are like someone who wants to try this variant, it is very beautiful. Then we have this is the Rexona dry powder. Now it is like a underarm body roll-on. I love the fragrance, like it has that baby powder fragrance, so I got it. This is the Plum Rose Water Toner with hyaluronic acid. Now summers are here, and I somehow feel that you will need rose water wherever you will go. All you have to do is like splits it like this, and you'll instantly feel refreshed. So I thought of getting the rose water for that. Like it's a good toner with hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so it will lock the moisture in your skin. So I got this. It is the Aqualogica Hydrate Face Wash. I had heard a lot of reviews about this face wash, and it has like a coconut water smell to it, and it's very like, I have tried it and I'll review this one for you guys. It's a very beautiful face wash, very hydrating on your skin, won't strip off the moisture from your skin, so love this. I compare it with the simple का एक variant आता है उसके साथ, simple face wash का. I compare this one with that. It's very beautiful. Then we have my savior product. Like I can't go without, if I had to choose a skincare product, I'll close my eyes and pick this one. This is the Earth Rhythm multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid in general is one of my favorite ingredients. Then we have few more serums. Now I have two of the Dermaco serums. First is this 2% kojic acid. Now kojic acid is used to help with dark spots and pigmentation, and you can see I have few of them here. So I'll be using it. Has 1% alpha arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide, and it's a day and night serum. So basically you can use it both day and night as well. I'll try use it and review this one for you guys after a month. So we'll let you know if it worked for me or not. Then we have the 2% alpha arbutin face serum. It is used for the same dark spots and uneven skin tone, but it has alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid being my most favorite, so I got it. It's also a day and night serum. So I'll try both of these for you guys and let you know review it for you guys and let you know how they worked for me, if my pigmentation was somehow less or not. This is the Plum E-Luminescent Supple Cleansing Balm. Now this is something I had tried the smaller version and I wanted the bigger one. I usually use makeup every single day, so I needed something that helps me cleanse off my makeup easily, and I was trying this earlier and I love it, so I got the bigger tub of this one. So it's like a staple thing for me now. I got goodies from Plum as well with that. It is this green tea night clarity gel. So basically it's kind of night gel formula which will help your skin to fight with acne. You can use it for at night for your acne scars or acne mark to fade off. So it's like a night cream. Basically it's like a travel size. If you're traveling recently, you can try it out, or if you genuinely want to try the product first and not to invest on a bigger packaging, like bigger one, so you can always try this one. It's that first one. Then we have this is the chamomile and white tea face mask by Plum. It's like a mask but in a mini form. It smells very beautiful though. I like the smell of it. I don't know, I have been into fragrances lately a lot. So it's like a glowing mask, clay mask kind of consistency. You can use it just to get glow, but before getting the bigger packaging, always try to get your hands on offers when you get minis, because they will help you to know a product, whether the product works for your skin or not, and then invest in the product. Then we have a sunscreen by Plum. It is the green tea daylight sunscreen. This is also a travel size product. You can see. Then we have olive and macadamia mask, hair mask. I wanted to try the Plum mask since a very long time, but I was like too skeptical whether to try this one or not. I'll try it once and let you know if I liked it or not. But it's a very hyped product. And last we have this. This is the green tea pore cleansing face wash by Plum. I had already used it previously. This was one of my favorite face washes from Plum. It is the Plum shower gel in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. It's a very beautiful fragrance, like perfect for summers. Now let's come to a few more things that I got from the Smitten app. Now this is what I got from the Smitten app. It is the cream and blush facial mask by Lakme. Wait a second. It's like a sheet mask. Yeah. This is a strawberry variant sheet mask from Lakme, and I also got one from Miniso. It is the hydrating skin pigmentation. It's a seaweed mask and it's a normal strawberry mask. It's just like normal mask. I don't know masks work for me or not, but mentally whenever I mask like my skin, I feel refreshed for a moment, so I love masking. And that's, we have 2 of these. And I also got a few of these face wash. One is from Wow Skin Science. It's also a travel size and it is the Brightening Sea face wash. I got, like, I genuinely wanted to try it before I invest in the bigger one because I've heard a lot about it. And this is the Natural Vitamin C face wash by Moms Co. So these 2 also I'll try and let you know. Then we have few lip products. First is this. It is the Wadi Blueberry Lip Balm. Now Shreya Jain, who is my favorite YouTuber, raves about this lip balm, like raves about it. And so I got it. It literally tints your lips like a bluey tone, not exactly pure blue, like a blueberry kind of tone. I have some few tint on my skin, so it is not clearer now. It is the Revona chocolate coffee lip balm. Now coffee is one of my favorite things, like I can't live without coffee. The smell is very good. I don't know how it will perform on the lips, but it's like I had got it in the Smitten, from the Smitten kit only. And I have one of my favorite lip balm from Blue Heaven. I was gifted the bubblegum variant like 3 or 2 years back by my best friend, and now this is the strawberry variant, and yeah, it's a good one. It is like, its packaging is like the EOS, or I think EOS lip balm, which used to be a drugstore company in like foreign countries. The packaging is very similar to that, but it's a very hydrating lip balm. I have tried it already and I love it. So got this Celesta lip scrub, beetroot lip scrub. Now it is basically a very tiny lip scrub jar in like beetroot fragrant. I don't know how it will perform, but so I'll try and let you know. I purchased something from Estee Lauder and I got 3 of their samples, 2 of their night repair sample and 1 of their micro cleansing foam. So it's that. Then we have samples from Purple. It is the rose hip serum sample. We have one of my favorites, and this is the Purple brightening face wash and face mask sample. So after that we have few products for like taking care. So first is this. This is the Miniso facial cotton pads. Like, these are cotton pads. These are very handy, and I have tried almost all the variants from them, like the charcoal one to the plain one to like not so cottony ones and very thick cotton ones as well, and I love them. These are very user friendly and the packaging is very good as well. You can store it from here only. It's like a Ziploc packaging, so you can like do it and it is secured. So it's that. If it will be available online, I will definitely share you the links. Then I got a few face razors. First is this Miniso Precision Brow Face Razor. These are like 4 face razors for your eyebrows, and they look adorable. Like, the color is very beautiful. Like, it retails 150 for 4 razors. Like, you'll get each at around 32 rupees, 32 or 33 rupees, which is very cheap. Like 30-40 rupees का एक भी होता है ना, तो why would you need something else? This is the Karmasi facial hair removal combo. Now I wanted to try their precision eyebrow eyebrow trimmer, but I didn't get. So it's a combo of 2 razors. This is for your eyebrows, like the precision ones. It's very small, very precise for your eyebrows. And this is for your face one, like normal face razor. So I have two of them, like it's a combo basic. With that, I complete my skincare haul video with you all. So hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and like this video, share with your friends. Do let me know which one of this is your favorite product, and yeah, see you the next time. Till then, take care.